Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the mysteries of Kalimantan Island in Indonesia. Have you ever wondered about the origins of this lush and incredible island? Well, buckle up, because here are 5 fascinating facts you probably didn't know. First up, Kalimantan is actually part of Borneo, the 3rd largest island in the world. Yes, you heard that right. Borneo is divided between 3 countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. Kalimantan makes up the Indonesian portion. Fact number 2, Kalimantan's name comes from the Sanskrit word Kalimantan, which means burning weather island. This refers to its hot and humid tropical climate. So, if you plan a trip, make sure to pack light and stay hydrated. Thirdly, the island has been inhabited for over 40,000 years. Indigenous tribes like the Dayak people have called it home for millennia. Their rich cultural heritage and traditions add a unique charm to the island. Now, for a geological twist, Kalimantan was once part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana. Yes, it drifted and collided over millions of years to form the island we see today. That's some serious earth-shaking history right there. And finally, Kalimantan is a biodiversity hotspot. From the dense rainforest teeming with orangutans to the diverse marine life in its surrounding waters, it's a nature lover's paradise. You might even spot a rare Bornean clouded leopard if you're lucky. So, there you have it, 5 incredible facts about Kalimantan Island's origin. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just someone looking for their next adventure, Kalimantan has something for everyone, exposing the wonders in the wild. Kalimantan's indigenous tribes have secrets you won't believe. These tribes have lived in harmony with nature for centuries, crafting a unique cultural tapestry. First up, the Dayak people. Known for their elaborate tattoos and intricate hand-woven textiles, each piece tells a story of their heritage. Next, we have the Punan, masters of the rainforest. They can navigate the dense jungles with unmatched skill, relying on traditional knowledge passed down through generations. Ever heard of the Ngaju Dayak? They hold grandiose Tiwa ceremonies to honor the spirits of their ancestors. It's a sight to behold. The Kenya tribe is renowned for their traditional dances, which are not just performances but a vital part of their cultural identity. Last but not least, the Bidayu people, who construct unique bamboo longhouses. These architectural wonders house multiple families and are designed to withstand the tropical climate. So there you have it, 5 fascinating facts about Kalimantan's indigenous tribes. Stay curious and keep exploring.